So we were just looking at ways to improve the look of our home for a good price and an easy project that we could do ourselves. The directions were very easy to read. It took me maybe 10-15 minutes to complete, and it was simple. I would absolutely recommend this product to anyone who's looking to improve the look of their home easily, quickly, and affordably. It's a beautiful product. It was so easy, so lightweight, but still very hardy, and it seems like it's going to last a really long time. Much easier than replacing an entire garage door. I just can't believe I can make such a dramatic improvement to my home so easily and so quickly. I absolutely can't wait to show this off to my neighbors. They're going to be amazed at how beautiful the house looks now.